Once, artificial intelligence existed only in science fiction, but today it's everywhere. In our phones, in our cars, and even in our social media feeds, AI, a technology designed to think and learn like the human brain. Every day it becomes smarter, faster, and more independent. Machines can now draw pictures, compose music, and even understand human emotions. But the real transformation happens behind the scenes, in the data, the algorithms, and the invisible decisions they make. AI is replacing human labor in factories, helping doctors diagnose diseases, and changing the way we live and work. Old jobs are disappearing, but new opportunities are being born. So what about the future? Will artificial intelligence control us, or will we be the ones guiding it? Artificial intelligence is changing our world, and the direction of that change depends on us,